Hello, my name's Chris Graham and I'm going to give you an introduction to biology in this little video. The reason I want to give you an introduction is so that you get a better feel for what biology is like at Hills Road and so that you can hit the ground running when you arrive in September. There are loads of students studying biology at Hills Road, literally hundreds in each year group. And that's a real asset because if you're interested in applying to something beyond your A-levels, then there's bound to be someone in the year above that is applying just 1 year ahead of you, and you can find them and ask them about what it's like and how to apply successfully. We've got loads of biology teaching staff to teach these students, as well as technicians, and so there's loads of support around for you that is solely dedicated to supporting A-level biology. And to formalise the support between students, we run a mentoring system, and you could ask about that in the event today. One of the things I'm most proud of in the biology department is the passion for biology that's abundant in both staff and students. It's that love of learning new facts about amazing biology. And here's one example from my garden that would be in the ecology kind of topic. So we've got a plant called dogwood. Aphids, herbivores, are eating the dogwood. There are ants that eat the honeydew that comes out of the aphids, and so they're invested in actually looking after the aphids so they get loads of honeydew. And flying above these whole ants and aphids and dogwood is a hoverfly, and the ants are trying to protect their aphids from this hoverfly. Hoverflies lay their eggs nearby, and the larvae that hatch from the eggs actually eat the aphids. So there's a whole interaction of ecological relationships going on in this photo, and it's just, it's just in my garden. It's amazing. And it's not just ecology that's amazing, it's all of biology. Our human bodies are biology, and we learn about that, and they're just everything. It's just fantastic. So ask us about what we're interested in. We like to share popular science books that we've read and recommend, so you could ask us about that. It's just brilliant to see this enthusiasm and passion for biology in the students and in the teachers. It's just lovely. So as we go through the A-level course, there are loads of fascinating topics you'll study. The topics generally are building on what you've learned at GCSE. So if you enjoy GCSE biology, you should love A-level biology, because with more depth comes more fascinating stuff. And alongside the knowledge, there are loads of skills that you'll develop as well. Now, this learning journey comes in two parts, I think. One is what we do with you in lessons to support your learning, to give you feedback on how you're getting on, to do activities with you, to do practical work with you, and all that kind of stuff. But then the other side, which is just as crucial, is how you manage your independent learning, so that you develop and fill in the gaps in your knowledge that you've identified. That's absolutely crucial. You can't do that just independently by yourself, despite the name independent learning. And so we do loads of things to support you with that. We've got learning goals, we've got resources on SharePoint, we use YouTube playlists and Moodle quizzes. I'm not going to go into detail of those things here, but do ask us about that. Hitting the ground running in September with your independent learning is a real surefire way to make biology easier and to lead to great success at the end of your course. So ask loads about that, and of course we will talk you through it in September as well. As well as supporting you to great success in your A-levels, we want to provide you with opportunities beyond the specification to enrich your biology even further and to get you thinking about what you might want to do beyond your A-levels. So ask us about what our students tend to go off and do beyond A-levels. Some of the things that we provide as opportunities are pushing in your direction opportunities for online courses and competitions and masterclasses that some of Cambridge University departments offer. We get in a visiting speakers program into the biology department. We take visits to different labs and different sites of ecological interest. And we get involved in the Big Biology Day and the Cambridge Science Festival, which are kind of public engagement opportunities where our students help out and just enthuse with the general public about biology. So I hope you enjoy the session today. Do ask loads of questions. We want you to get a good feel for what biology is like at Hills Road, and we want you to be informed enough so that you can really hit the ground running on day one in biology. You know a bit about where the support is and all of that, so that you can really make biology a great success. I just want to thank the teachers involved in delivering these sessions and the students for helping out, because really you want to hear from the students because they know what it's like from their end. So listen to their responses and of course ask them loads of questions. Enjoy the event.